I flew all the way to Spain to meet with some of the richest dropshippers in the world and learn exactly how they made their millions. How are you doing, brother?
I'm great, bro. Thank you for having me.
Definitely, man.
Pleasure to be on your video.
So 2 questions for you. How old are you, and how much have you made with e-commerce?
I don't want to brag, but I'm 20, and I'm the best month with the brand. I'm very open sharing the brand. We sell glowing balls, but there's been 4 million euros in one single month. Best day also 300K in one single day.
So you made $300,000 in a day at 20 years old selling what?
It's been everything. Glowing soccer balls have been our best seller, but basically I started this brand 4 years ago when I was 16 still, was bad broke, but the only thing I had was a burning desire to get rich. Saw these products were coming up in USA. I saw the opportunity, brought them over to Europe, scaled them over all over the world. And I mean, last year we had the World Cup, we had Black Friday, so the wind went behind our backs, and we positioned ourselves to scale this brand to over 4 million in one single month.
So you made your first $1 million with Shopify while you were still in high school.
Yes.
How did you find this product?
I mean, like I said before, I saw this product was coming up in the USA. They already have proof of concept. I literally just copied the brand, did my own spin to it, brought it to Europe, different markets. I thought, okay, I can do this better, but in this country. And it worked out.
Well, congrats to your success, brother. Let's see who we talk to next. So you guys are absolutely killing it in e-commerce. Where do you guys come from? Where are you from?
We are brothers, and we are from the Netherlands. Our parents, they come from Iraq, so they are immigrants.
So now, after doing this together for a couple years, how much have you guys brought in sales?
Yeah, in total we did like 20 million.
You told me that you had just started a new store like 3 months ago, right? How is that going?
We just started 3 months ago, and we already done 1.6 million in revenue.
This is light though. You've been doing this now for a consistent time period. What was it like when you were first starting? Was it hard? Did you guys run out of money? What type of challenges did you run into?
Like in the first couple of months, we were actually losing money. We tried to spend money on ads, but we don't get any sales at all. So I think we lost in total 10 or 15K. That was like all our life savings. And at the last 300, something happened, and we were like, making sales. And what I want to share also, my parents didn't know for more than 1.5 years because we were both studying. We were doing very well on the university. Like Abbas was even like finished the bachelor as #1 of the university.
Wow.
At electrical engineering. Yes. So, and we kept a secret till the moment we retired them. So the moment we could like retire them, we told them, hey, it's like you're done. We're gonna provide for you. We have our own company, and they didn't believe us for almost a week after that. Yeah.
A lot of people give up in those first 3 months.
Yeah.
What made you guys keep going?
So what for us worked was that we saw online people that were already successful. We get inspired from that, and that's what always kept us moving.
What's one final piece of advice you would share to somebody that wants to start their own store?
The most easy product, let's say, is like you're solving a problem for the customer, or something that's like going viral at the moment. Just look what other people are doing, try to learn from them, try to copy them, and then you're gonna make your first sales so easy.
I think it's the best piece of advice. That was the thing that changed the game for me. And I want to ask, you guys weren't the first ones to sell these products that made you 20 million, right?
Of course, yeah, definitely. We are, especially we got the advantage in the EU market, so we were looking what people are doing in the USA and bring it to EU.
Well, congrats on your guys' success. On to the next one. Listen, before we continue, I need to tell you something. Everything you've heard about dropshipping is wrong because it's not what it used to be. The days of shipping crappy products from China that take almost 3 months to arrive are long gone. And if you try to do this, you will fail. The reason why everybody in this video was successful is because they understood this. And in fact, with the right tool, you can dropship products in under 1 week. And without a doubt, nowadays, the best tool for this is called AutoDS, which is actually the sponsor for today's video. AutoDS allows you to dropship without all the headaches. They have a massive library of over 100 million products that can be shipped anywhere in just 1 to 5 days. On their app, you get direct access to some of the best suppliers in the US and China and can directly connect them to your store in a matter of seconds with just 1 click. The best part is any product that you find on the internet, they can source it, ship it, and even customize it with your own branding for your business. And once you finally start making sales, their app will automatically fulfill your orders for you in seconds, which will save you a ton of time and allow you to work less and enjoy some coffee in Spain like your boy. So look, I've actually partnered with AutoDS to get you guys your first month on any package for 100% free. So if you're looking to start dropshipping the right way, like all these people you'll see on today's video, I recommend doing it with AutoDS, and you can get access to them for free at the link in the description down below. And it's getting hot out here, so let's go talk to somebody else. So tell the people about how well you've done in your e-commerce journey. You're killing it.
Yeah. I've been killing it and I'm still killing it. I changed like the business model. I've started like dropshipping in 2017, 2018, and I did close to 10 million in sales. I stopped counting like last year. But I did like in 2021 was my best year. It was almost 5 million.
Wow, congratulations, bro. It's really insane because he came up to me here at this resort and told me that he got started with dropshipping and he was watching my videos at the beginning. And now to see that you've done over 8 figures, that's congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Tell me about the journey of going from 0 to over 8 figures. What was it like starting for you? Did you have a lot of money to begin with?
When I started, they froze on my bank accounts. I had like literally no money. I was in debt, 7K in debt. I was just like in a very bad place in my life. And I had a 9-to-5 job. My job was physical therapy, so I'm licensed to treat people. But that's how I started, man. I started with like a lot of money in debt, and I was like going to my girlfriend. I was like, can I borrow some little money for this course? Because I think this will change my life and this will help me reduce the debt. And she was like, okay, I will trust you. COVID hit, and when COVID hit, all the physical therapists needed to go to home because like we were not allowed to work. It was 6 weeks, and in that 6 weeks I did like my first 200K in revenue in 6 weeks, and that changed like my whole life. I think I was debt free in like maybe 1 year, so all the debt was gone. I stopped working with my 9-to-5 job, and that's when I saw like how compounding time is. Like I got away from a 9-to-5 job and I went to like 700K a month in the first month being fully entrepreneur.
$700,000 in a month. What type of products did you look for in your journey? What type of products have you had success with?
And it was like in May 2021, people started to go out more outside, wearing flip-flops or wearing sandals. And I noticed like I had a problem as well. Callus, I believe. And there's like a device that can remove that, the feet grinder. Everybody knows it, the feet grinder. And I was like, let's use this angle. Hey, do you want to go outside, but you're ashamed of your feet? I got your back. It went so viral because people were like, commenting, fun. And they had the problem. And like, I believe I threw up the ads with like 50 euro ad spend. And the first day we did like maybe already 1K with 50 euro ad spend. I was like, let's bump up the budget. And we bumped up the budget to 30K a day, like in the next day in ad spend. And it was like crazy. I've never managed like so much ad spend in a day.
So if you were starting all over again, is e-commerce the thing you would do? And if so, how would you do it?
It would be like, just solve a big problem, put it in front of the people who have the problem, and you will succeed.
And ask your girlfriend for a little bit of money, you know?
Yeah. Babe, if you're watching, I love you.
All right, brother. Let me introduce you to the top dogs.
Let's get it.
What's up, boys?
Steve, Evan.
Got Welch in the house.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good.
I got some questions for you guys, so let's have a seat. Let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. Join us.
So tell the people how much you guys have done in sales over your e-commerce career.
Over 200 million.
200 million. So can you share the story of how you guys got started in e-commerce and got to over $200 million of sales?
Right, I started in 2006 with eBay. Then 2008 started doing Facebook ads, and 2009 scaled the store up to about 100K, 200K per day. Sorry, not per day, per month. And after that, we transitioned into Groupon, then subsequently get back into dropshipping in 2016. Then from there, we started scaling.
So you've tried pretty much, sounds like every single platform over the years. Was it hard for you guys in the beginning? Did you have a bunch of money?
Honestly, like I went through the normal path, right? I went through college, everything. So after college, I graduated. I was like, why not be like me and my brother team up and do something? It was relatively like back then they were saying it the golden age of dropshipping. So we started, and within I think our second month or first month, we managed to hit 7 figures in our first second store.
Wow.
And yeah, I mean, back then, like most of the people are treating it as a hobby, and we started thinking in a long term and start building like teams and structures and scaling it from there.
How many products have you guys gone through over the years? It's probably been hundreds.
And more than that, for sure. Hundreds, probably like testing, like a week.
Hundreds a week. How were you able to identify the right products and the products that had the potential to scale to $100 million plus?
I really like gadgets, electronics, because there's always new products and it's always something that's usable and people can easily share. So one of our biggest winners was actually like the color chargers for USB.
Okay.
Yeah, for the iPhone, so you can see a lot of colors.
Okay.
So that one really went pretty well when we got started, and they kind of gave us the kickstart to get things rolling.
What are the biggest mistakes that you see people make when they first start e-commerce nowadays?
Nowadays, I think people spend too much time focusing on one product, right? So for example, they are very emotional when a product doesn't work. They continue pouring money into it.
What is one non-negotiable that you have to succeed in e-commerce? Something that if you're going to make it work, you have to do this.
Resilience. I think dropshipping, it's a matter of testing products, and a lot of people feel like they can find the first winning product at their first go, which is very unrealistic. You might be so close to succeeding, but you never know. You just have to keep pushing. Jordan has some amazing content on business and e-commerce, so make sure to subscribe to his channel. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.